Hi, I'm Alex Pollock, Chief Investment Officer of Loftus Peak. Welcome to Update Plus, our monthly health check of the big disruptive trends that are driving business and our portfolios. Earnings season is well underway. We're pleased with the strong numbers being posted from companies in the portfolios we manage, even more so given the broader market sentiment is gloomy. Uncertainty swirls around geopolitical conflicts, recessionary signals, elevated interest rates and more. Further, there are a series of tectonic shifts taking place across the business world. The end of Moore's law, the rise of AI and the graphics processing units on which they are run, as well as the increasing reliance on more mobile-friendly compute architectures like ARM, which has been the chip of choice for Apple for many years and is an important focus this week in this Loftus Peak chat. ARM went public in September in a $60 billion IPO, which was the largest since 2021. ARM's primary business lies in licensing its framework to other semiconductor design companies. CPUs that run on ARM instruction sets are more energy efficient than the peers, such as those which run on Intel 86 architecture. That energy efficiency can translate into lower weight with higher battery life. ARM, the company, is not included in the portfolios we manage due to its expensive valuations, though we do own companies which use its services, such as Google for its own phone and Facebook for the VR headset, which it's been releasing over the last few years. We've been following ARM for years, cognizant that it is disrupting companies associated with Intel and AMD's x86 chips that have for years been the major revenue source for client PC and data center sales. This situation has developed further in October as Intel doubled down on its decision to stick with its own architecture, despite the looming threat from competitors such as Qualcomm, which has been developing competitive ARM for Windows chips. NVIDIA graphics producers GPUs are already way ahead of Intel's GPUs across data centers in terms of performance. The same is true of AMD's data center CPUs, though Intel still holds majority market share here, albeit a market share that shifts towards AMD every year. A key opportunity for ARM architecture chips is in personal computers, which have traditionally been a stronghold for Intel, as it has lost its position in other end markets. ARM is giving Qualcomm the opportunity to broaden itself from supplying chips into smartphones and cars to supplying PCs as well. Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger has poo-pooed the ARM threat based on less than flash past ARM for Windows PC designs. Time will tell, especially as the next generation of Qualcomm's ARM-based Windows PC chips hit the laptop market in mid-2024. 9 major PC makers, including the likes of HP, Lenovo and Asus, have already put up their hands to produce these ARM for Windows laptops. The battle will form around ARM's power efficiency chops and the increasingly competitive performance versus the x86 laptops, as well as the software compatibility advantage that Intel has traditionally enjoyed. The PC market is the last major consumer bastion for Intel and x86, whereas for companies capitalizing on the disruptive edge of ARM, such as Qualcomm, PC is yet another arrow to their quiver. That's all for this month. I'm Alex Pollock. This has been Update Plus. See you next time.